Yeah, and Candace, Bill, the deputy in question was a nearly 7-year veteran of the Hanover County Sheriff's Office, and they've identified him as Christopher Ryan Payne. And the Sheriff's Office says they started an internal investigation against him alongside with the Commonwealth's Attorney's Office at the end of November 2021, lasting through early December. And at the end of it, Payne, quote, resigned with cause, end quote. Now, when asked what prompted this, the office said they regularly conduct internal audits. Now, the department wouldn't share what they found, saying it was a personnel matter, but after Payne resigned, he was decertified by a state agency, meaning he could no longer serve as a law enforcement officer in Virginia. That state agency could only say it was for, quote, reporting inaccuracies, end quote, and pointed to a section of Virginia code governing this process, which refers to an act that compromises an officer's credibility, integrity, or honesty. Now, at this afternoon's news conference, the Hanover NAACP said even before they learned of Payne's decertification last week, they'd already received around 30 complaints about his conduct and were investigating. They're now asking for a review of all of his cases by the Commonwealth's attorney.
We do not want the Sheriff's Department involved in it, but we trust our Commonwealth attorney to be able to carry this out. If we see that the results are not as expected, as anticipated, then we may make a further request for outside investigation.
Now, we have asked for a comment from the Commonwealth's Attorney's Office, but have not heard back as today is a holiday. Meanwhile, former Deputy Payne had 30 days to appeal his decertification. That window has closed, according to someone with that agency, but they could not offer 100% confirmation about whether or not he had appealed, and it just might not have appeared in the system yet again because today is a holiday.